Welcome to my channel. I'm Heather. In today's video, we're demonstrating around 5 exercises that will get your heart pumping, get your blood flowing, and burn fat. Just so you know, I'm not a medical professional. All I am is a 50-year-old woman who is intent on improving my physical, mental, and spiritual health. The 5 exercises are marching in place, high knees, side steps, cross jacks, and step jacks. You're gonna maintain each exercise for 1 minute and you're gonna do 3 sets of the 5 exercises. All right, let's get started. All right, we got it done. Don't forget to hydrate. Most importantly, know that physical health is achieved through consistency in exercise and healthy eating. I proved that to myself last year by losing 31 pounds, moving from 230 pounds down to 199 pounds. One way of supporting healthy eating is to make sure that when you go to the grocery store or the supermarket, you spend more time on the outskirts, filling your cart with healthier foods. On this channel, I'm sharing the actions that I'm performing to achieve physical, mental, and spiritual health. So if you're on a journey of wellness, join me and let us improve our lives together. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in the next one.